Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add leads in Salesforce. This is a fundamental task for anyone managing potential customers or prospects, and it helps you keep track of everyone who might become a client down the line. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to locate the app launcher in the top left corner of your Salesforce screen. It's represented by a waffle icon with 9 dots arranged in a grid pattern. Go ahead and click on it. This launcher is your gateway to all the different apps and features within Salesforce, making navigation much easier. Once you've clicked the app launcher, a search box will appear. Type leads into this search box, and then select leads from the results. This will take you directly to the leads section where you can view all your existing leads and create new ones. This is the central hub for managing all your prospect information. Now that you're in the leads list view, look toward the top right of the screen and you'll see a new button. Click on this button to begin creating your new lead. This action opens up a form where you'll enter all the relevant details about your prospect. You'll notice a field labeled lead status with a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select an appropriate status for your new lead. For example, you might choose new if this is someone you've just connected with. Setting the right status helps you track where each lead is in your sales process. Next, you'll need to fill in the person's name. You'll see fields for both first name and last name. While the first name is optional, you must complete the last name field at minimum. Type in the person's name accordingly. Having accurate name information ensures you can properly address your leads in future communications. After that, move down to the company field and type in the name of the company this lead is associated with. This field is important because it helps you understand which organizations your leads represent and can be useful for tracking patterns in your prospect base. Now comes the part where you can add more context to your lead. Salesforce provides several additional fields such as title, email, phone, website, industry, and lead source. Type in any details you have available for these fields. The more information you add here, the better equipped you'll be when following up with this lead later. Even if you don't have all the information right now, you can always come back and update it later. Finally, once you've entered all the information you have, look toward the bottom right of the new lead window and click the Save button. This will create the lead and add it to your Salesforce system. The page might take a moment to process and save your new lead, so just give it a second to complete, and that's it. You've successfully added a new lead to Salesforce, and it's now ready for you to track and follow up with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.